Hi, in this video I'll explain how Brightspace works. Brightspace is where you'll find everything about the courses you're taking. It's where you submit assignments, get feedback and connect with your teachers and fellow students. I'll walk you through the basics. You can access Brightspace via a link on myhanze.nl. Let's take a look. On the Brightspace homepage, you'll see any Hanze-wide announcements about Brightspace, plus an overview of the courses you're enrolled in. The Work to Do section shows upcoming activities and deadlines, like assignments you still need to hand in. All your courses are listed on the home page. You can pin the ones you use most so that they show up at the top. When you register for a course in Osiris, you'll automatically be added to the matching Brightspace course. Need to access another course? Just reach out to your program coordinator. In the top left corner, you'll find the Help button. It's got answers to frequently asked questions. Want to stay up to date on the go? The Brightspace app is called Pulse. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play. And that's it for the basics. Good luck!